Hello, grade 9 learners! I am Teacher Ira. Welcome to another exciting mathematics lesson. Have you ever wondered how architects, engineers, and designers create precise drawings without measuring every part repeatedly? Today, we will learn one of the most important skills in geometry called geometric construction. Geometric construction is the process of creating geometric figures na ginagamitan lamang ng compass and a straight edge. By the end of this lesson, please read. In this lesson, we will explore three important construction exercises. Number 1, copying a segment. Second, bisecting a segment. Third, copying an angle. Ang kailangan nyo gamitin dito is ruler, compass, pencil, and paper. Let's begin. Suppose you want to create another line segment na exact ang same length as a given segment. Paano nga ba tayo makakagawa ng segment without measuring it? Let's find out. Line segment AB. Our goal is to construct a new segment CD na congruent din sa line segment AB. First, kailangan natin mag-draw ng straight segment longer than the given segment AB. You need to mark one endpoint as C. This will be the starting point of our new segment. Now, buksan nyo na yung compass nyo. I-place nyo yung compass sa point A and the pencil sa point B. Huwag yung babaguhin yung opening ng compass. The compass is now set to the exact length of segment AB. Now, place the compass point on C. Swing an arc across the new segment. Make the point where the arc intersects the segment and label it to D. Now, connect points C and D. Meron na tayong new segment CD na exact ang same length sa AB. Therefore, ang AB ay congruent sa CD. Notice na hindi tayo gumamit ng any measurements. Instead, we transferred the length directly using the compass. So this is the essence of geometric construction. What if we want to divide a segment na two equal parts? The point that divides a segment into two congruent parts is called the midpoint. Now, aralin natin kung paano mag-construct nito. I have here segment AB. Ano ba ang goal natin? Makapag-construct tayo ng perpendicular bisector at ilolocate natin yung midpoint M. Now, ipi-place natin yung compass sa point at A. I-open natin yung compass to more than half the length of AB. Draw an arc above at below the segment. Without changing the compass opening, place the compass point at B. Now, draw another arc above and below the segment. The two arcs should intersect. Using a straight edge, ruler yan o kaya yung edge ng inyong notebook, ipag-connect nyo yung two intersection ng points of the arcs. The line formed is called the perpendicular bisector. This line crosses segment AB at point M. So, yung point M dyan ay naging midpoint because AM is equal to MB. The perpendicular bisector not only divides the segment into two equal parts, but nakabuo din siya ng 90-degree angle with the segment. This construction is very useful in geometry and engineering designs. Suppose you want to create an angle na exact din ang same size sa another angle. Pwede ba nating gawin yan without a protractor? Siyempre pwede. Let's learn how. Angle BAC. Ang goal natin ay makapag-construct ng congruent angle, angle EDF. Draw a ray and label the endpoint as D. This ray will become one side of the new angle. Place the compass point at A, the vertex of the given angle. Draw an arc that intersects both sides of the angle. Label the intersection points B and C. Without changing the compass opening, draw the same arc centered at D. The arc intersects the ray at point E. Now, measure the distance between points B and C using the compass. Keep the compass opening fixed. Place the compass point at E. Draw an arc that intersects the arc centered at D. Label the intersection point F. Now, connect points D and F. Ray DF forms the second side of the new angle. Ang new angle natin is angle EDF na congruent sa angle BAC. Therefore, angle EDF ay congruent to angle BAC. Let's answer these questions. What tool is used to transfer the length of a segment? Compass, that's correct. Next, what is the point that divides a segment into two equal parts? That's correct, midpoint. What construction helps locate the midpoint of a segment? Perpendicular bisector. Can an angle be copied without using a protractor? Yes, by using a compass and straight edge. Thank you, learners. Keep on sharing this lesson.